Hi there, this video is next week's very extremely aggressive Atlantic onslaught weather forecast UK 24. Like this video, press the thumbs up on the left side of the screen right now. The date today is the 11th of February, Sunday evening, guys. 24, guys, across the UK right this minute, guys. Looking at the local weather data, because waking time locally. Here we go. Ow! So talking about blue colour, rainfall I recorded in the morning. Temperature, red colour I recorded in the morning. For January 24, wow, it's at least 4 degrees cooler for January 24 compared to January 23, and it's 26 millimeters of rain less for January 24 compared to January 23. If we look at it right this minute, guys, local weather data, of course, working time locally right this minute, guys, last year to this year. See the difference, guys? Wow, fascinating, guys. See how wet it was last year and how much warmer or so it was, so or degree or so warmer, guys, or 4 or 3 degrees warmer. Look at the difference there. Fascinating, isn't it? It's absolutely fascinating. 3 to 4 degrees warmer, guys, or 3 degrees warmer, which is fascinating. And this is the rainfall for the last 20, where you name it, 4 years, of course, working time locally. We're looking at here, guys, with fascination. And you can see here, guys, rainfall, 84 minutes of rain for January 24. Not all of the wettest Januaries on record. Probably either in 2017 January for wettish, but it's been average, slightly above average rainfall for January 24, more or less, which is fascinating. Local weather locally, because working time locally. And this is the upper global sea temperature interest today, guys, across the world globally. Place of interest today off the west coast of South America, eastern, central, and western Pacific Ocean. Base, North Pacific Ocean, upper global sea temperature, North Atlantic, upper global sea temperature, off the west coast of Africa, upper global sea temperature, the Gulf of Mexico, upper global sea temperature. Let's see what's going on today, guys. Ow! Fascinating. Incredible. It carries on, Super El Nino. It's still going on. It should go to La Nina later on this year, but it's very slow to cool down. And you are talking about the North Atlantic is still very warm at the moment. It's cooling down across the North Sea at the moment, which is interesting, at the west coast of this area around Scandinavia, which is not surprising. It's quite cold in northwestern parts of Europe up there around Scandinavia. But it's very interesting, the global sea temperature. I wouldn't be surprised if we have a new format of Category 6 hurricane season-wise across the Atlantic here this year, because the upper global sea temperature across the Atlantic is very warm. We go to La Nina over here, and this is quite hot. It's going to be a very dangerous hurricane season across the Caribbean islands. I'm not joking. You have one yet a new format. Category 6 hurricane, which is deadly, guys, across the southeast of North America. This is my weather forecast. A very hot temperatures across North America, especially. Might be quite a cool summer across the north and western parts of Europe and the UK with high pressure for green. This is my summer weather forecast. And my year's, well, you name it, hurricane season forecast. Who knows what happened? This is the forecast from the American GFS 6Z. Talking about very unsettled weather coming in for this week. Atlantic onslaught coming in, guys. If you go for Tuesday, Wednesday, guys. 14th of Valentine's Day. Quite wet weather across the UK, potentially. And it continues onwards to the future, guys. More onslaught weather coming from the Atlantic. Very unsettled. High pressure at times over the UK, but onslaught weather continues. The 6 GFS will go very unsettled. There might be a storm as you get towards the 22nd, 23rd of February across the northwestern parts of the UK, especially across Scotland and the western parts of the UK. This weather forecast is set to change. That was the last one. It looks like the cold air from the northerly Arctic air wants to come back in. And this is the upper air temperature, of course, working time locally today with fascination interest. Red line is the 30 average upper air temperature, white line is the temperature going. It goes slightly below that 2 days, then it goes above it, and it's down here. These might be precipitation from snow, but it's unreliable time frame. I won't get too excited. It looks like unset for the next few days. Very unsettled Atlantic, obviously, the common across the UK, because working time locally. And yes, this is the weather for us working time. Dry weather tomorrow, quite sunny, quite pleasant. Dry one, compared to today's showers, because working time locally. Unsettled on Tuesday in the afternoon. Wednesday's a washout at the moment. This podcast might change, hopefully. Thursday's unsettled. Friday's unsettled. This is likely Atlantic onslaught comes back in, of course, working time locally. And this is the SSW, or displacement event, across the North Pole going right now. I'm not joking. You can see there, red colour trying to displacement event going on across the North Pole. And you are looking at you name it, these situations here. This is the CTV temperature, England temperature, 7.8 currently at the moment, which is going to rival the last big one, which was back in 1779, 7.9 for February for CTV. And this is the, you name it, the coldest February, 3.1. Another cold one, that's 1991, after 2013, 1.6. The coldest one, the last big one we had was 1986, guys, with 9.19 Celsius in February. I hope you guys did. Please subscribe, share, and sign.